Welcome. This presentation for ClearPath OS 2200 Release 18.0 covers the Expand Pack feature. My name is Linda Brock. This presentation is intended for site administrators and system architects. The presentation will cover the background and the purpose of the Expand Pack feature, how to use it, some exec structures and the interfaces to retrieve those structures. It will also cover some updates to the product DPREP. Refreshing hardware usually entails replacing old disk subsystems. Migrating the data from an old disk to the new disk can be done by reloading files, but this can be a time-consuming process. The more typical method to migrate data to a larger capacity mass storage device is to use either disk copy or some EMC replication capability such as SRDF. This results in an exact copy of the original disk. The destination disk takes on the characteristics of the source, such as being fixed or removable. It also has the same capacity, even though the new disk has a larger capacity. The Expand Pack feature dynamically expands the pack's master bit tables, both the hardware MBT and the software MBT, using the disk capacity for the new size. This is accomplished by use of a new key-in that requires full console mode. The expand key-in requires specification of the pack ID of the device. The device can be configured as either local or shared, prepped as removable or fixed, and it can be either a simplex device or a unit duplex pair. For the first example, an FS key-in on device 3K-D2 shows that it is unit duplexed with device 3K-D1. It has a state of up and it is a fixed device with a pack ID of 3ME13. It is currently the Exec DRS device. The expand key-in is performed using the pack ID of 3ME13. An information message is displayed indicating completion of the key-in with the number of increased tracks. With a UD pair of devices, the pack is expanded to the capacity of the smallest device. For the second example, an FS key-in on device 3SD3 shows that it is a shared device as indicated by the S. It is a removable as indicated by the R. It has a pack ID of SBA23. The expand key-in is performed using the pack ID SBA23. An information message is displayed indicating completion of the key-in with the number of increased tracks. Similar to other shared device key-ins, the processing of this key-in is across all hosts participating in the file sharing environment. For non-expanded packs, the hardware MBT and the software MBT reside within the MFD file. As part of the expand key-in processing, the MBTs are moved to the new expanded area of the disk. A new internal exec file, MBTF$, has been created. The moved MBTs are described in the DAD tables of the new internal exec file. The MBTF$, file contains all the hardware MBTs and software MBTs for packs that are expanded or prepped with the new format. Packs that have their MBT outside of the MFD file have a version number of 3 in Sector 1. Any freed MFD space from the moving of MBTs is initialized for directory items. Several existing ERMSCON functions have been updated. The dget function returns the MFD directory tracks for all fixed devices. The dget all function includes the MFD directory tracks for assigned removable packs. And the dget function returns the MFD directory tracks for a specific pack ID. For devices with their MBTs that reside within the MFD file, the MBTs are returned on these functions. For expanded packs, the MBTs no longer reside within the MFD file and will not be returned for these functions. Instead, you will need to use either the DMBT$ function or the DMBTS$ function to retrieve the expanded pack MBTs. The DMBT$ function returns all software MBTs, and the DMBTS$ function returns the software MBTs for a specific device. Both functions have been enhanced to retrieve the hardware MBTs when a new input parameter is specified. The MSAll$ function has a new status bit for the pack indicating that the MBT does not reside within the MFD. Some DPREP updates for the Expand Pack feature. The DPREP Type 8 prep has been updated to retrieve the MBTs for the new expanded pack format. It continues to output Vol1, the hardware MBT, software MBT, and the MFD sectors. Sector 1 version 1 packs contain sector addresses in their directory allocation sectors. Sector 1 version 2 packs use track addresses. For expanded packs, the addresses are converted to track addresses. DPREP is defaulted to a version 2 with 1 track per MBT bit. The Exec, however, continues to support all versions of Sector 1. In addition to the existing query, do you want more than 1 track per MBT bit? A new query is added if you want the hardware MBT and software MBT to be external to the MFD file. You may want to do this to provide more MFD directory space for files on the device. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time.
Unisys offers a comprehensive set of ClearPath Forward services to enrich the value of your ClearPath Forward applications, data, and systems. Please contact your Unisys representative for more information.